Hi friends, I'm directly watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the emojis on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an emoji on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So to insert the emoji, you can use your keyboard here because there is no insert symbol option. You can just use your keyboard. For an example, here I just using the Google keyboard or keyboard. You can just directly download from the Play Store. So after opening your keyboard, you have this option of emoji symbol on the downside. Just click on this emoji and you can see the recently used emojis and also all the smiley emotion emojis are here. And also if you can also change the emoji categories by swiping up. Here you can see the fruits and drinks and travel and place like that. You can change the emoji category, and also you can just search by just typing like a smile. So you can see all the smiley emojis out here. So this is how you just insert the emojis on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone, and you can just click on it and you can just change the font size so it may look bigger. So I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.